Alright, been meaning to get this done, but this is the KEMOVE K98SE mechanical keyboard. I got the red switch version. Here's what it looks like from up top. Let me just see that. Quick sound test there. I had the instructions but misplaced them. No idea where they're at. But I can give you the brief rundown over here real quick. They do come in Chinese, but they do have a translated version underneath it. It's a little confusing, but once you get it figured out, it's pretty easy. I mostly only use it for the lighting effects, as you can see here. Every time I press it, the lights come out from the button that was pressed. If I press FN and backslash, it'll change the effects. I cycle through them all. For whatever reason, whenever you press FN, it will always just light up those. Turn it off, having it back on. Different options. There's also the light bar here. It is FN tab. It's either a rolling motion or a pulsing action, but I don't really care much for that bar at all. Again, FN, keep them on. There's also brightness options. I forgot how they go. I think it's FN plus the up and down arrow. I could be wrong, but you really can't tell with the brightness. But yeah.